up, y'all? I'm Kahleiashour. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all why Pace is missing. But wait, let me just tell you where this is from first. This pizza is from Blaze Pizza, y'all. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know my love for Blaze Pizza runs deep. Okay, like anytime I have a craving for some Blaze, I go ahead and get me that, you know, because it's so good. Blaze is good. And if you don't like Blaze, it's something you might be doing wrong, because it's pretty much you putting whatever you want on it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm going to put on the screen here all my ingredients that I got on my pizza, because it's a lot, y'all. But I went on a lunch date and I wasn't really hungry, but I wanted Blaze. So I ate a slice, you know, just so it wouldn't be awkward. But yeah, so I have the rest and I'm going to enjoy it with y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this mukbang. So this pizza is good, y'all. Earlier when I had it, it was just a little too hot to enjoy. It's perfect now, okay? It's good. Oh. Okay. I shouldn't have so many damn toppings. So yeah, I got jalapenos, knowing I shouldn't. I'm just gonna take some of my mouth as I get there. We got some Chipotle napkins today, y'all. I had Chipotle in a long time. Oh, baby. I ain't want to stop. Oh, that's good. That's good. I think this is their, like, this is called blood orange lemonade or something like that. It's good. That might be Jesus' urine. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Oh, okay. Y'all don't like So y'all, I have 3 different kind of cheeses on here. I love ricotta cheese, so I got ricotta. Shredded mozzarella. And feta. So good. So, I've been getting a lot of request. I can't even talk. Request to do that Travis Scott burger. Are they even selling that anymore still? I don't like burgers like that, y'all. This is so good. Like, I wish the cups was bigger. Greedy ass. Okay. But yeah. I don't know. Y'all, I dead ass forgot what I was talking about. Oh my god, y'all, I've been doing that a lot lately. I really be forgetting what I be talking about. It's almost embarrassing. It really is, but I'll think about it in a minute. It's good. It's so good. So, I be getting drizzles on my pizza, and that what will take your pizza to the next level, okay? It has a lot of different drizzles you can choose from, but I get pesto, buffalo, and ranch. Let me show y'all my pizza. I didn't even show y'all. I'm so sorry. Alright, there you go. Y'all see it? Oh, y'all see my nail? Look. The Walmart finest, y'all. Okay? It's good. The pesto, I feel like that one makes it good. And I normally don't like pesto, y'all. I don't. Like pesto garlic bread. Ugh. It's disgusting. I don't like that. Woo! Why am I trying to get full, y'all? I ain't even eat nothing, but I'm about to eat some more, y'all. I'm eat some more. Damn. So what I low-key wanted, I don't know if y'all remember now, but I have a story time on when this girl that was my friend in college had scammed me and pretty much made me pay for her portion of the trip. So, I got pepper. Excuse me. Excuse me. Woo, excuse me. Y'all should try to contact me, okay? This situation happened 2012, maybe. I told y'all the story maybe 3 months ago. I think it was 3 months ago. About 3 months ago. The crust is good. It's so simple, but it's good. But yeah, y'all should try to hit me up. I'm gonna have to tell y'all a story because more information has to continue going, you know, before I disclose what's going on. But I just need to let y'all know, like, what's going on. But what I wanted to tell y'all, that's what I was going. That's what I forgot. I remember now. I want to do a giveaway. Okay. So I'm gonna have 2 different winners, I think, and I'm not sure if I want to give y'all a gift certificate, like a Visa $50 gift certificate to 2 people, or yeah, or Cash App. One of the 2 will do. Just 2 people, okay? we coming up a little bit in the word, y'all. I'm gonna help y'all out. Help me out, okay? 2 winners. I'm gonna choose them at random. Definitely gotta be subscribed to my channel, of course. Like, I should go without saying. Albert. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. And for one of the winners, has to follow me on Instagram. The other one doesn't have to, because I know a lot of people don't have Instagram. Because I was like that. You know, back in the day when people do their giveaways and they would be like, you gotta follow me on all my social medias. And I'm like, I don't have half of what you have. So, all these slices are big. I ain't be able to handle it all. Let's go with this one. Take out some of these jalapenos. So yeah, okay. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And then comment. I'm trying to think of a word, y'all. Aquarius. Just comment Aquarius. And you'll be entered into the giveaway. So. Oh, this good. On Halloween. Is that a long time? Is a month enough time? I think I'm going to do Halloween. So, on Halloween, I'm going to reveal the winners. So, yes, again, y'all, just follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and comment Aquarius. Some type of way. You just put Aquarius. You can make a sentence with Aquarius in it. Anything. Alright, just use the word Aquarius. So, good luck, Mike. And I hope the best person, the best person win. If you're, you know, like out of the U.S., then I don't know. I think we can still do Cash App. So we'll probably just do something like that. Oh, excuse me, moi. Oh my goodness. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Let me know down below if y'all ever had Blaze. And if you did, I want to know what you got on it. Because Blaze has a lot of different toppings, y'all. I'm telling you, it's like a Subway for pizza. It's so good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Why do that to me? Why did it have to go away? Like, that way, no, I need some more. That was good. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to bring me a little Speedway cup up there. 44 ounce and fill it up. Yeah, I'm stuffed. Oh, I'm so stuffed. But please do the giveaway, y'all. The rules will be down in the description bar. If that wasn't clear. I just got off work, y'all. So I thought this is the best time to record this mukbang with y'all while Kamari is still going, because she'll be here in like 20 minutes. So, I definitely had time to eat and record. Let me know down below what y'all want to see me eat next. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Boom, Kahleia _. And I'm going to catch you on my next video. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.